ladies, are you maybe not the most consistent with your skincare? Even though you got some wrinkles, maybe you got some puffiness under your eye or pores, and you know that you should be consistent. Well, even if you are consistent, these might be for you. These, though, are definitely for somebody who maybe isn't the most consistent, but wants to see instant results. Murad was nice enough to send me over these 3 products to try out. One I have tried before, so I can give you my thoughts, like full review. The other 2 are new. The ones that are new to me is the Targeted Eye Dupuffer and the Targeted Pore Corrector. The one that I have used before is the Targeted Wrinkle Corrector, which I love, 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 especially for my 11s. Love this. So let me show you how these go on, and let's try them out together. Make sure you tap it in, don't rub it in. You won't get the desired effect if you rub. I just pat it a little bit more with my finger. So much better. The orange color is the dupuffer, and this can be applied under your eyes and on your eyelids. This can be used morning and night, and we have that's the same idea with the silver applicator, metal applicator. Now this one online, it says to squeeze out the product. Ooh, it's some color. And you use the metal applicator to, this one again, tap it on under your eye and then on your eyelid. Okay, so let's take a good look at my eyes. It's on the applicator. It says with this one, but I also know with the wrinkle one, the more you use them, the longer the results each time are going to last. Ooh, that feels good. Very cooling. It does say that you can gently massage with the cooling. Just going to do that a little bit underneath here, but do that after you've tapped. And then if you need be, you can do any additional tapping with your finger. I'm just going to do that right down here. And I think I probably even got a little much. Probably don't even need that much. What do you think? Let me put up the before picture. And I'll have to look too to see what I think. Maybe that right here, I feel like it doesn't say that it's going to lift, but depuff, but does that seem like it's lifted a little bit, or like not as hoodie, if that's a word? Do you know what I mean? Do you think so? This is the Targeted Pore Corrector. Very excited to try this one. Can use this AM and PM. And like the other ones, you want to tap this in, don't rub it. It's not a metal applicator, but it does have a smooth applicator right here. Some texture going on and pores around here. And if you need to, you tap, if you need to tap more with your finger. Does seem kind of like that's blurring, doesn't it? I'm going to put foundation on so that we can see the difference. I won't put any on this on over here. Definitely like blurs that area and a little bit Does anyone else get some pores like showing up a little bit above your forehead? It's so weird, I think. Or not forehead, above your forehead, above your eyebrow. Let's put on some foundation and see if we can tell a difference. I am going to be using the Yinsa. This is the Super Serum Silk Foundation. The color is light medium. And then the concealer, also from them. This is the Super Serum Silk Concealer, and the color I have is light 2. You see a difference between the two sides, like right here and on my forehead. Does one look like my pores are a little bit less and look a little more smooth? Do you have a thought? I do think that it's not a huge difference. I'm going to keep using it, but I do think it looks a little bit more hydrated over here, a little bit plumper. I don't know, do you agree? I would love to know if you have tried any of these products and what do you think? You know, first impressions on these two, I think the targeted pore corrector is more what I'll use just because I don't have a lot of puffiness, like I said. But if you have not tried and you have any kind of wrinkles and you have not tried this targeted wrinkle corrector, please do, because you know what I do is I have my Ulta points saved up. You can buy this at Ulta, and these two. If you have an Ulta credit card, not just the store one, but like Ulta/MasterCard, when you use that, anywhere you use that credit card, you get points. So when you get enough points, that is when I pick up another one of these. So I always have a backup. I always have one unopened. Thank you so much to Murad for sending these out to me. Ooh, I'm so excited.